Here's a screenshot from my grade book, which will give me a chance to sort of record the results from the one question quiz and also interpret those results so I can figure out what to do in the next class. The quiz was worth 20 points as indicated here. The average score was 18.6, which is a little bit disingenuous in a sense because you see there are a number of scores that are marked X. 4 out of these scores are marked X. Those are students who did not meet their self-selected standard for this quiz. For example, this student here, who scored a 16, must have put on his quiz a lowest score of 16 out of 20 or perhaps 15 out of 20, and he met that score, and so I recorded it as a 16. But maybe this student said that they wanted nothing less than an 18 out of 20, and when I scored the quiz, it might have scored as a 17 or a 16 out of 20, and so I don't count it. I kind of honor the student's request and leave it as an exempt grade, which is what that X marks. The results of this particular test are pretty encouraging in that only 4 of the students failed to meet their score, and most students scored an 18 or more out of 20, which would indicate pretty solid understanding of the goals for the day, maybe just a tiny bit of misunderstanding of something or some simple calculational problems, but all in all, a pretty upbeat report here. There have been times, of course, where I've given a one-question quiz and half or more of the scores wound up being exempted, which would be a sign to me that we need to revisit that topic a little more carefully and spend a little more time with it. In this particular case, it seems like coming back with a warm-up problem that would be similar would probably be helpful just to kind of clarify a few details, but all in all, we're ready to move forward.